Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope all is well with you. If only few of you use support and resistance on the 4 hours chart. Always use 4 hours support and resistance. Oh, it's beautiful out here. Look at that. Look at that. So beautiful. You want to take a trade? Wait for the stock to come down to support level. 4 hours on the 4 hours chart. That's number one. Number two, you have to trade good stocks with growth potential. Okay? Good stocks with growth potential for good companies that have been around for a while. Okay? And if the stock gives dividends, that's even better. You have to play the waiting games. You have to be very patient. And I always say that. Be very patient. Wait for the right moment. A lot of traders are impatient. We just want to go in right away. We want to trade. Don't force trades. Okay? Also, another tool you can use is a MACD. The moving average conversion divergence. It's a good tool only if used with support and resistance, so don't use it on its own. Use it with support and resistance. You have to have a watch list, a list of stocks that you like to trade every day. You can use Yahoo Finance or TradingView to create a watch list. If you are a beginner trader, start with a demo account first. And I always tell my students, start on a demo account and trade at least 100 trades. Trade at least 100 trades until you become confident. Don't jump into live trading right away. You can use other technical analysis like the 200 moving average to see the trend. You can also do some fundamental analysis. What is the company about? What's their revenue? What are their expenses? Do they have debt? And so on. How long have they been in business? Do your homework, guys, before you start trading.